And here we are. Engine is ready. Just waiting for the turbo and intake manifold. But while this happens, I am going to start taking this guy apart. I have never done, so I'm not gonna keep explaining anything. I'm just gonna do like some time lapse. Not sure how many days it's gonna be. I'm not sure about anything. So I just know that I need to take the liquids out of the car, remove this front bar out of here, and then my idea is after I untie everything, the engine is gonna just slide out like this way. So I don't believe I have any water anymore, but I have other fluids like power steering and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a little challenge to make this work, at least until I see how it is and everything else. But yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. There's a lot to come. I'm super excited, super stoked that this thing is here in the garage and I'm ready to rock and roll on this thing. Yeah, dude, look at that. So once I take the engine and the transmission, I'm gonna be sure which kind of transmission it is. I know there's a ZF, but there's a I'm gonna say Getrag, Getrag, or 420G or whatever. I just read a bunch of stuff. I don't know where it is. I just want to be sure that whatever I have, the adapters that I'm gonna buy works, so I can use my flywheel, my clutch. All that stuff is brand new. I just use for like one event, one or two. So I want to be sure that I can reuse those things. So if I can, I'm gonna pay around $800 on the kit, which is the plate and the flywheel, and I can use my clutch. Yeah, so let's start. Yeah, they are 13. They only keep the they're kind of weird. They only keep the man, the water thing here from moving from side to side. So yeah, this should be all out. I just want to be sure that nothing is tied anywhere. Here I have a couple more. Oh, I didn't take that side. Which size is that? There we go. So this is 10 millimeter, and we gotta remove from this side here. We gotta take one, and the bottom one is gonna be kind of tricky. There you go. It's a little bracket. I'm gonna put back in there so it just I know what is what. Okay. So we gotta remove the fender liner. It's trying to take this out. So before you pull this all out, we need to disconnect the cable that pops the hood. So what you do is open this thing here. Be careful, don't scratch your car. There you go. And there are the cable that goes in this direction, the cable that goes that direction. So what I want to do is I just want to pop one out, and you're gonna see in here a couple things. So it's just a there you go. So it's just like this. It's like a little, there's the cable, there's a little kind of ball in front of it, and then all of that. So this always going to come out, and we are free to roll. There you go. Woo! Alright. This is definitely a heavy piece. If I could replace this by something very, very light, it would be amazing. But anyway, gotta find somewhere to put those, to put that. And cool. So I guess that's gonna be it for today. I need to disassemble all of this because this engine is gonna come out, and it's gonna come out this way. So I have all the front free. This whole assembly is going away. So I just wonder how much space I'm gonna have here for a radiator, a intercooler, because I'm gonna try to be smart this time and try to get an intercooler that actually fits in the car, and not make the intercooler fit in the car after I buy it, because that's gonna be super hard. And yeah, and I'm gonna have a bunch of parts for sale related to you know, air conditioning and all that stuff. Since I'm not gonna use it, but dude, it's gonna be amazing. That thing inside here, I met a few guys that can do like car detailing. So when the engine is out, I'm gonna ask them to come and detail the car. Not sure how they're gonna do it, but if they do, man, big shout out. Alright, so I hope this video helps you. It was pretty tricky for me to remove the bumper, because usually like you have 2-3 bolts and 2 bolts each side and it's done. And this here was look at how many bolts. My bench was clean. All of this here was only to remove the bumper. So yeah. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave that little thumbs up and leave a little comment down here. Tell me how you do it or what I missed. Alright, and check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. There's always a bunch of cool stuff in there. I am about to make t-shirts for 2JZ, but I've been too busy building this thing and getting this car ready for this season that I didn't make any merch yet related to this, but I have a bunch of other cool stuff. Check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to go.